Good morning, everyone! Wow, we are now on day 15 in our reading tutorials for children. This is Teacher Len, and if you haven't subscribed in our channel, please do so you won't miss the lessons each day. Lessons for today: review letter I and R, read short words with vowel I sound. So kids, are you ready? Okay. Letter I. The sound is I. I. And letter R, the sound is R. R. Repeat. I. R. Now let's read the words. Give the sound first. I. Begin. I. Igloo. I. Indian. I. Insect. Now it's your turn. Give the sound first. I. Begin. Very good. Next. Letter R. Sound is R. Okay? Give the sound first. Begin. R. Rabbit. R. Rose. R. Rock. R. Rainbow. Now it's your turn. Give the sound first. Begin. Bravo! Very good. Read the words with vowel I sound. Give the sound first. Let's read. P, I, N, pin. Again. P, I, N, pin. Next. F, I, N, fin. F, I, N, fin. Next. B, I, N, bin. B, I, N, bin. H, I, M, him. Again. H, I, M, him. Now it's your turn. Give the sound first. Begin. Next. 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 Great! So just give the sound, the beginning sound of the pictures. Ready? Only the sound. I. R. I. R. 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 I. Now it's your turn. Begin. Alright, great. Wow, good work.